Got Chinese tonight with Elle. Red cheeks. Don't ask. I think it's just hot in the house, putting Tommy to bed. Anyway, we're going to dish up. I'm not going to eat because I'm going to eat with Ellie, but I'm going to show you what we got. This was, I mean, the delivery was like £4.30, but it was all like 37 quid. I don't know. I think that's quite a lot, but it is what it is. Oh my god. I thought we forgot the noodles then. Right, so you have just got rice. Just plain out rice. £4, by the way, for some rice. I swear it used to be like £2 or something. So plain, this is plain rice, by the way. Here, have that spoon. Noodles. So obviously get some noodles. You cannot go wrong. And by the way, when I know people are going to comment, because they always do, are you going to eat all that? That's such a big meal. Yes, we both are, because we're fat pigs when it comes to Chinese. And that's what we're going to do. Here we are. She's nodding. Chips. Got to have chips on your plate. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to get this all on, actually. Might put the curry on the rice. Chips. Hang on. Sweet and sour Cantonese style. I'm going to put that here. Oh my god, this is delish. Okay. And then Ellie's annoyed because we didn't get salt and pepper chips. Did I ask her what she wanted? Did she tell me? No. Right, chicken curry. So I'm going to put that on my rice, actually. Get that on there. I know that's not that warm, actually. I know it looks a lot, but to be fair, I know it looks a lot, but there's no other way to eat Chinese than to plate your plate up like you literally haven't eaten for a week. It's just the way the cookie crumbles. Some extra curry sauce on there and there. That's chicken curry, that one. So you've got a big plate as well. And then obviously prawn crackers. Huh? Yeah, mine is bigger, but you know what I'm like. Anyway, I'll have a little bite with you and then I'm going to go in there and eat this. Hang on. Right, chicken curry in here. That is good. That is good. If you don't do that, what are you actually doing? I do one with noodles. And then I'm going to let you guys go. And me and Elle are going to go and sit down and eat this. And yes, I will eat it all. We're going to have to finish the chips because we can't have chips next day cold. That is good. Anyway, that's our Chinese. We're going to eat it. If you haven't eaten today, eat something. Something's better than nothing. And enjoy your evening.